Today is Saturday, August 5th, and guess where we're going? Eras tour! We're going to the Taylor Swift concert!
Getting my nails did.
Mom is using the Glamnetic nails.
Yes.
Slay. But we're getting ready right now. This is our hair, makeup, outfit. It's gonna be so fun.
What, babe? Sorry, Dad.
Instagram invited me and my mom to the Eras tour, which is so cool. So grateful. Thank you, Instagram. They also sent over like a bag of goodies. Some hats, the tickets, some sunglasses, a bag, and then also a bunch of beads so we can make bracelets. Let's get ready for the Eras tour. Yay! I got frosted lemonade, 8 chicken nuggets, and a large fry. We're ready for Era! Here are the finished looks. I am Lover Era, duh.
And I am Reputation.
Yeah. Now me and mom are gonna make some bracelets. I actually tried making one already. Turned out actually pretty cute.
Yeah, it did.
This is some stuff that Instagram sent over. This clear bag, because this is what concerts allow. And then these beads to make bracelets.
We should make one for each other. Well, I got one.
We only managed to make one, guys.
I actually had 3 and then it just kept freaking failed. 2 of them failed.
Okay, well, mine says Linda. I made one for me, but it says my mom's name.
Mine says Coley. I only have 1.
And she has like 3 beads on it. Yeah. Okay, but that's that. We're gonna go now, though.
You're gonna go.
All right, y'all. Wait. There we go. Okay, Mom. She's wearing the glasses that Instagram said. Dad is driving us. We're gonna play some T-Swift right now, obviously.
T-Swift, baby.
I wasn't invited, so I'm just driving. I'm just an Uber driver. Hey!
Oh, nice
Oh, look at that.
Chat? What did I just say? They actually gave us a lift code, but
When you go home,
no.
that'll be useful.
It's uncomfortable for me and Coley, so we like Noel takes us.
It sucks because I'm not invited. That's kind of messed up. You know what I mean?
You'll have your day.
Would you rather us be stuck in traffic the whole time, you know?
Yeah, I'm with a stranger. Oh, you used to drive by yourself.
Now I'm gonna be stuck in traffic. There's no carpool.
Bye.
We're going to Eras tour.
What is going on? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Wanted to do a recap of the night, but when we I just turned on my flashlight. When we got home, so tired. We got home at 2 a.m. just knocked out.
I
But
don't remember the last time I ever stayed out till 2 in the morning.
no, yeah, it was
I'm a
like,
wild
actually-
child.
But one word I would explain last night: magical.
I was just gonna, you stole the word from my mouth.
It was so magical.
So magical.
Oh my gosh.
Her voice is so
She's like a goddess.
beautiful.
Like,
It's like an angel
yeah,
singing.
like her songs already are so good, but like hearing them live and just like seeing her, like her stage presence, amazing.
Yeah, I can't like describe into words like how her voice sounds, but it's nothing like the radio. It's nothing like
Right.
the TV.
Yeah.
It's like live. Her voice is just so like powerful.
Like you just
and
feel it inside.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also the fact that she performed for literally 3.5 hours. And it was like straight. Like I swear she didn't take any breaks.
I felt like I
Like,
was losing my voice because I kept singing
Right.
with her.
But like I don't know how she lasted that long. Like she sang so much.
and she has a
was
10-minute
amazing.
song.
Yeah, all too well. Also, peep our shirts. When we met with all the creators, they gave us these shirts that says Los Angeles Swiftie. So cute. Oh, and these are all my bracelets that I got last night. I met a few of you guys, and you guys gave me bracelets. So sweet. It's adorable.
Holy one.
But I just want to thank Instagram once again. Like, oh my gosh. So grateful to experience all of that. Where we were seated. Oh, I
was
don't
a
know.
dream.
Yeah, it just made the experience so good. So just so grateful. Thank you, Instagram. 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Would definitely go again, 100%.
I thought like yesterday we listened to Taylor Swift from morning till night.
Yeah.
And so
no, yeah.
I was like, oh, we're probably gonna need a break. But then this morning I was like, I was enchanted to
No, exactly. I
meet
was like going
you.
through all my videos
Yeah.
that I filmed last night. Ugh, it was
10 out of 10.
so good.
I'm glad we went together.
I know, yeah. Me and mom used to go to a lot of concerts when I was younger. We went to like Selena Gomez, One
Yeah.
Direction, Big Time Rush. So it was kind of like nostalgic because we haven't done that in a little bit. And like
Yeah,
me
so
and
much
mom
fun.
just like singing together. It was just
I know.
amazing.
So much fun.
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah.
Live, Love, Eras Tour.
Hi guys, happy Monday. It's Monday, August 7th, and today's plan, I have my ASB workshop at school, and then later tonight I'm going to dinner with my friends. It's currently 9:52, and the workshop is at 10, so I'm leaving right now to my school. Literally so weird, like I can't believe I'm going to school right now. But basically this workshop, all of the ASB members are going, and we're basically just like preparing for the year. Last year we did like different icebreakers and activities, just all revolving leadership stuff, and we're probably gonna plan like spirit days or whatever. I'm like kind of excited. No, I'm excited, but like this is like an eye-opener that like senior year is beginning. Like it's starting so soon and I can't believe it. But it's gonna be really fun because a lot of my friends are in ASB, but then at the same time, I haven't seen a lot of these people since school let out. And I haven't been to school since obviously when school ended. So it's just gonna be a little weird at first, but it'll be fun. Guys, I cannot get Taylor Swift songs out of my head now. I've just been singing them non-stop, but let me try to show you guys my outfit. I just have a tank top, some shorts, and then my CDG Converse. It is 75 degrees outside, and I think we'll be in the gym, so hopefully it's not too hot. Okay, my friends are in the parking lot. I'm gonna meet them right now.
Hello there.
Hello!
Happy senior season. Dude, every time we mention senior season, Addie gets really sad.
It's not real.
It's not real. No, actually though. This literally feels so weird. Good morning! Good morning, Sydney. Happy ASB workshop day! Did you miss the vlog?
Yeah, I did. It's been a while. I don't know what to do from the camera.
I know. Thank you. Wait, I'm in group 3. I'm in group 2.
We're going by color at the start. So you guys are the same color. Wait,
Put it right here. 3. Okay, we just watched a video inside and now we're doing an activity. And I think we're gonna get wet, guys. Yeah, let's see how many people. You guys ready? Yes. You're going to pass the water down the line over your shoulder. So your shoulder into the short person. Does that make sense? Try to get as much water into the last bucket. Right, on your mark, get set, go! Come on, Richie! Dumped it on the floor! Arushi's back is so tough. Get over here.
Here's the
sitch. We have these tokens and we have words that we're gonna hammer it on. Okay, this isn't gonna make any sense, but we're putting on the token AFO shrimp. Stands for something, but yeah, so this is what you do. Got this blue one, and then I'm making my other one. I'm gonna put do on this, like literally D-O, and like that's my word for this school year. Y'all, we got rascals. It smells so good. This is my second plate. Rascals is so good. Next week we have registration. 2 weeks we start school.
Guys, I'm not taking calc. Oh, by the way, I passed free calc. We never told them that.
We're proud. Proud woman right there. She passed her class. Do you want to say hi, Jaden?
Hi guys, made a
We're
return
back.
to the channel. I took a 3-month break on the channel. The duo is back.
Yes! This is the ultimate romance duo. Okay, but last thing we're gonna do today is go over plans for the year.
And then they go to the middle of the court. And then
Just finished the workshop, but of course we have to make a TikTok.
First TikTok of senior year!
Yes! My mom's calling. Hello. We're so ready. Okay, I'm gonna film the TikTok with my friends. Love you, bye. Take 3. Hold up. Just left my school. Workshop went so well. I know in the morning I was like,
Why am I going to school? It's gonna be so weird.
but like that just made me so excited for senior year. It was great seeing everyone again. I saw my activities directors, literally love them so much. They're so sweet. And we just like did activities and like played games and talked to each other. That one game with like the water thing, we basically had like a bucket of water. We were in teams and like you had to pour water in the person's cup behind you without looking. And it was all about like consistency and learning how to work together. But it was so funny because she kept spilling it on herself. But anyways, later tonight I'm getting dinner with my friends in like 5 hours. So I'm just gonna go home, edit, do some work, and then I'll start security. Okay, bye.
Update. It's now 6 p.m. I actually took a nap, which was really good. It felt really nice, but I got ready. We all wanted to wear like dresses or a skirt. So I have this little maxi skirt on from Princess Polly, and then I think my tank top is also from Princess Polly. But basically this dinner is to celebrate Sydney's birthday. Sydney's birthday was last week, but tonight we were all free to go out to dinner. We're gonna give her presents, and I think we're getting sushi, which y'all know I love my sushi. So I think Arishi's picking me up in a few minutes. Oh, let me show y'all Sydney's present. I put this together like the other day. So I just got her like a bunch of goodies. So.
We finished dinner. Now we're gonna take some cute pics. This is Alex, Sydney's boyfriend, and he's gonna take pictures of us.
This is cute. I'm so where? I'm so sorry, guys. I like really like knocked off our like.
Now we're gonna go to Creamery. We're gonna go to Creamery and get some bananas, her favorite. Okay, just left Creamery. Yay! Wait, show what you got.
I got a milk chocolate banana.
Ow! Chocolate shake.
Ready, wait, cheers. What'd you say? Alex, shut up.
Camera eats first. That's enough for tonight.
Hello guys, it is a new day. Today is Wednesday, August 9th. Literally, you guys, all day yesterday and all day this morning, I've just been in my room watching Netflix. Well, I edited a little bit this morning, but yesterday I did not get out of my room just to eat. Like, that's the only time I left my room. But I swear, just 12 hours of like laying in bed. My blinds were down. I was just watching Netflix. It was honestly great. I definitely need those days sometimes, but now I'm in need of going out. So today I'm going to the OC fair with my friends, me, Urshi, Sydney, and Addie again. And then my parents are going and they're gonna have like a little fair day as well. But I just finished getting ready. My friends are coming in like a minute. They should be here soon. But I'm very excited. We've been planning this for a little bit now and it's gonna be so fun.
Hey.
Addie went to the Eras tour last night, so she's showing us all of her videos of her screaming. But we're on the way. Guys, this is very heartbreaking. My mom just said, wait, can you just like explain what you just said?
I'm
just
crying. So
okay, she's crying. And it's because she said, I looked in my rearview mirror and I was just thinking of you guys when you were in elementary school. Because we all went to school together for the past like 10 years. And she was like, now you guys are seniors. And now she's crying. But it's so sad. That's so sad.
Anyways.
No.
got these birria tacos and a mango drink. Oh, and I got horchata.
They already started, and then me and Addie were in line for our brisket fries. Okay, and then Addie showed them the Texas toast. What is that?
It's a white piece of fry.
Oh yeah, boy. Charity, cheers.
I'm not hot. Yeah, can I have a bite?
Now Addie got her funnel cake. She got Oreo. And we're actually gonna leave soon, but before we do, we're gonna play a game because we have some tickets left over and hopefully someone wins something. Okay, we're gonna try to get the ring on the duck and get one. It's me and Sydney.
Go ahead, you go. You got it, Sydney. Come on, Sydney, you can do better than that. Get the solo one. Oh, he's so close. Oh,
You guys are terrible.
oh, so close. Oh my God.
Oh, you're fine. You just ruined my night.
What's on the nose? What?
Now you gotta get it.
Wait, what was wrong about it?
It's on the nose. You have to do that sideways.
I don't care.
Thank you.
Okay, let me tell you. I got it on there. He said because it was on the nose, it doesn't count.
Because it says on the thing, like,
So, and now we have no more money. That ends our time at the OC Fair. Yeah. Look, Mom and Dad got a panda. At least you guys won.
I know, Dad won it for me.
At least you guys got something.
Yeah.
You know, fair games are rigged, but whatever. But we did get a bucket of cookies, so success. But it was a great night.
Hey guys, I never ended this vlog, so here I am. Hope you guys enjoyed these summer days in my life. These days were so fun. I'm so glad I captured them. If you guys stayed till the end of this video, comment down below the duck emoji. I'm still mad that I didn't win that game, but whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go like, go comment down below, subscribe to my channel, go subscribe to the family channel, and turn on all of the post notifications. I'll see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.